Hello friends, how are you? In this video I will tell you how to remove FRP bypass this mobile Samsung a03. So if you are new on my channel then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So guys, this mobile Samsung a03 Core. In this video you can see here FRP bypass verify Google account is logged and how to remove this verification Google account. So first of all you have to go back. If you are new on my channel then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So friends, follow my step by step and don't skip my step. Now you have to nearby share click turn on. After that you have to click need help. Do it, it's loading on. Now you have to click three dot and share article. After that you have to press power button and after that screen on you have to click on Google and after that you have to use without Google account. Select your language and click done. After that friends, you have to search their website fixfirmware.com/apk. When you search this website, after that you have to click OK. There is some letter is missing. You have to enter correct letters. You can see here. I fix this links. Follow my step by step. If you are new on my channel, then click on first link. After that, scroll down. When this website open, and then scroll down. So I'm going to search some things about this mobile and click on open settings. You can see click set lock screen. As you can see, click on pattern and set up your new pattern lock. There is not working, so I try again, but it's not working. Apps close problem. So click back and then you have to now set lock screen again. After that pattern lock more times. Friends, if you are new on my channel then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Don't skip any steps. Press go back. After that click power button lock screen and you can see here lock screen is enabled. So now you have to press go back and set up this factory reset, connecting Wi-Fi hotspot, getting ready. Now click don't copy. After that do wet checking for information. So now you have to enter your pattern lock that you have created. Escape it. So friends, FRP bypass Google account verification is removed, unlocked completely. You can see here getting your phone to ready. If you are new on my channel then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. Don't skip any steps. Okay, so now you can see here this mobile is completely unlocked and you can see here I'm going to for next videos. So for that, bye, be back later, see you next.